Start here.
Welcome to Start Here, a transformative journey from the Start Here with Jefferson YouTube channel. This playlist is designed to help you navigate and achieve your personal and professional goals. We delve into essential aspects of personal growth, helping you take that crucial first step towards change and success. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Let this be yours. Explore your purpose. Define your passions and set meaningful goals. Change is vital and growth guarantees a better tomorrow. Together, we can unlock your potential. Join us today and begin your journey. Warm regards, Jefferson.
Welcome to the section Self-Reflection and Action.
This section invites you to harness the power of self-reflection as a pathway to meaningful action and personal growth. Through self-reflection, you'll learn to pause, evaluate your thoughts and behaviors, and gain a deeper understanding of your strengths, values, and areas for improvement. By regularly engaging in this practice, you'll build clarity about your goals, align your actions with your intentions, and cultivate a life that reflects your true aspirations. The section also emphasizes the importance of turning insight into action. You'll explore practical techniques for setting clear goals, developing actionable plans, and taking consistent steps toward positive change. Self-reflection is only the beginning. By committing to intentional action, you transform your insights into real progress, creating a cycle of growth that keeps you moving forward. With guided exercises and strategies, you'll be encouraged to take ownership of your journey, adjusting your approach as you learn more about yourself and your path. By mastering self-reflection and purposeful action, you'll empower yourself to make decisions that propel you toward a life of fulfillment, resilience, and achievement.
Today's episode.
Chapter 52. Empower your mind.
Introduction.
Empowering your mind is the cornerstone of personal transformation and success. Your mind is not just a tool for problem solving. It is the foundation for creativity, resilience, and growth. In a world full of distractions and challenges, mastering your mind can be the difference between stagnation and progress. By cultivating mental empowerment, you unlock the ability to shape your life, overcome limitations, and achieve your goals. To empower your mind, it's crucial to focus on mindset, learning, and emotional intelligence. A strong, empowered mind allows you to navigate life's complexities with clarity and confidence. It helps you stay grounded during difficult times and seize opportunities with enthusiasm. Strengthening your mind is an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and commitment. This chapter delves into how you can empower your mind to align with your aspirations. By exploring strategies to build mental strength, foster a growth mindset, and overcome self-limiting beliefs, you will learn to harness the full potential of your mind. Through self-awareness and intentional practice, you can create a life that reflects your truest aspirations and values.
Understanding the concept.
Empowering your mind is about developing the mental resilience, clarity, and flexibility needed to thrive in an ever-changing world. It begins with adopting a growth mindset, the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning. This mindset shifts the focus from fixed limitations to infinite possibilities. Building mental empowerment also involves emotional intelligence, which includes self-awareness, empathy, and the ability to manage emotions. Emotional intelligence equips you to navigate relationships, communicate effectively, and handle stress with poise. It enables you to respond rather than react, fostering better decision making. Continuous learning is another pillar of mental empowerment. Expanding your knowledge and skills not only boosts confidence but also keeps your mind agile. Whether through reading, taking courses, or exploring new interests, learning fuels creativity and innovation. Overcoming self-limiting beliefs is essential for empowering your mind. These beliefs, often shaped by past experiences or societal expectations, can hold you back from reaching your potential. By identifying and challenging these negative thought patterns, you can reframe your perspective and cultivate a more empowering narrative. Lastly, mental empowerment requires discipline and consistency. Daily practices such as mindfulness, journaling, or setting intentions help to focus your thoughts and align your actions with your goals. Empowering your mind is not a one-time effort, but a lifelong commitment to growth and self-improvement.
Challenges and solutions.
One, overcoming negative thinking. Negative thought patterns can undermine confidence and hinder progress. Solution: practice gratitude and positive affirmations to reframe your perspective. Replace negative self-talk with empowering statements that reinforce your strengths and potential. Two, procrastination and lack of focus. Distractions and mental clutter can prevent you from achieving your goals. Solution: use time blocking techniques and prioritize tasks. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation to improve focus and clarity. 3. Fear of failure. Fear can be paralyzing and prevent you from taking risks or trying new things. Solution: reframe failure as a learning opportunity. Reflect on past setbacks and extract valuable lessons that contribute to personal growth. 4. Low self-belief. Doubts about your abilities can limit your willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Solution: create a list of past achievements to remind yourself of your capabilities. Seek support from mentors or peers who can encourage you. 5. Lack of discipline. Consistency is crucial for mental empowerment, but maintaining discipline can be challenging. Solution: establish routines and set achievable goals. Use tools like habit trackers to monitor progress and stay motivated.
Practical applications.
One, daily affirmations. Begin your day with positive affirmations that reinforce your goals and values. For example, say, "I am capable of achieving my goals," to set a confident tone for the day. Two, mindfulness practices. Dedicate at least 10 minutes daily to mindfulness or meditation. This practice helps to quiet the mind, reduce stress, and improve focus. 3. Engage in continuous learning. Take up a new hobby, enroll in an online course, or read a book on a topic of interest. This keeps your mind active and adaptable. 4. Challenge limiting beliefs. Identify one self-limiting belief you hold and challenge it by writing down evidence that disproves it. Replace it with an empowering belief. 5. Journaling. Maintain a journal to reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and daily accomplishments. Journaling helps to clarify your goals and track your mental growth over time.
Case studies or examples.
One. Sunita Krishnan, an Indian social activist and co-founder of Prajawala. Krishna overcame significant personal challenges to empower herself and others. Her mental resilience enabled her to fight against human trafficking, showing the power of a strong and focused mind. 2. Ike Batista, a Brazilian entrepreneur who faced both immense success and failure. Batista used his mental strength to rebuild his career after the financial collapse. His ability to adapt and learn from setbacks highlights the importance of a growth mindset. 3. Dr. Edith Eger, a Holocaust survivor and psychologist. Dr. Eger transformed the trauma of her early life into a mission to help others reclaim their mental freedom. Her groundbreaking work in trauma recovery and mindset transformation has inspired countless individuals to overcome limiting beliefs and take control of their healing. Through her books and therapy, she empowers minds to move from victimhood to victory, proving that even the deepest wounds can lead to remarkable strength. These three individuals, Sunita Krishnan, Ek Batista, and Dr. Edith Eger, demonstrate that empowering the mind isn't about avoiding hardship, but about mastering how you respond to it. From personal trauma to public failure, they each announced mental strength, reframed their experiences, and used their insights to transform lives. Their stories prove that a strong, disciplined mind is a powerful force for personal and societal change.
Personal reflections.
Take some time to reflect. What are the limiting beliefs holding you back, and how can you challenge them? How do you currently empower your mind to face daily challenges? What new practices can you adopt to strengthen your mental resilience? Consider journaling your answers or discussing them with someone you trust. Self-awareness is the first step to empowering your mind and unlocking your potential.
Conclusion.
Empowering your mind is about more than just mental strength. is about creating the foundation for a fulfilling and purposeful life. By adopting practices like mindfulness, continuous learning, and self-reflection, you can unlock new levels of creativity, resilience, and clarity. Remember, mental empowerment is a journey, not a destination. Commit to nurturing your mind daily and watch as your thoughts, actions, and outcomes transform. The empowered mind is your greatest asset. Use it wisely.
A final thought with Jefferson. The title of this episode of A Final Thought with Jefferson is Choose Joy, Finding Happiness in Simplicity.
Joy is not something you stumble upon by accident. It is a choice you make every day. In a world that glorifies hustle, achievement, and material gain, true happiness is often found not in what you possess, but in how you live. Choosing joy means deciding to see beauty in the simple everyday moments that others frequently overlook. Joy is not about ignoring reality or pretending everything is perfect. It is about recognizing that even in the midst of challenges, there is always something to be grateful for. It is the laughter shared with a friend, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the peace of a quiet morning. These small moments are where actual joy lives. To choose joy, you must slow down and be present. Life is not a race to the finish line. It is a series of moments that deserve your attention. Pay attention to what brings you joy and makes your heart lighter. Focus on experiences rather than possessions. Invest in relationships rather than rushing to the next milestone. Happiness is not something to chase. It is something to cultivate. Simplify your life by letting go of what drains your energy. Release the need for constant validation. Stop waiting for someday to feel fulfilled. Joy is available now, but you must be willing to choose it. Today, commit to finding happiness in simplicity. Smile more. Worry less. Appreciate the little things that make life rich and meaningful. Your circumstances may not be perfect, but your outlook can be. Joy is powerful. It fuels your strength, sharpens your perspective, and enriches your journey. Choose it daily. Let it become the foundation upon which you build a life, not just of success, but of true contentment and peace.